Today I want to talk about one of my favorite copywriting tools of all time called Copy.ai. The reason why I love this tool so much is because it's been a great help to me when I'm trying to write any type of short form copy, particularly for social media ads and for Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So that's the use case that we're also going to look at today. When you log into Copy.ai, this is kind of the first page that you will see. They've recently introduced chat feature very similar to ChatGPT. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it, but essentially what it does is that when you click on this browse prompts over here, you can choose a bunch of prompts according to what you want, and then you can just click on use prompt, fill in your information, and hit send, and it's going to generate a copy for you based on what you want. Another interesting feature here is called brand voice, which basically lets you input your own writing style so that every result that copy.ai gives you has your own brand elements incorporated into it, which I think is pretty cool. What we do want to focus on today is some Facebook headlines. So we're going to go here to tools, and then we're going to go down and we're going to click on digital ad copy, and then we're going to click on Facebook headlines. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to a page like this. You just go ahead and put in your business details here. That says sustainable and organic products to help people transition to a greener lifestyle. You can also choose a tone here. You have a bunch of them to choose from, but today I'm just going to go with friendly. And then once you're happy with whatever you have, you can go ahead and hit create content. You do have 1,000 character limit here, so you can, the more you add here, the better your output is going to be. Um, Once you hit create content, it's going to start giving you a bunch of options for whatever you need. So go through the list, choose what you like. So let's say I like this one. I can just copy and put it here in the editor. I like this one too. If you don't want to copy, you can also hit on save, and it's going to save that result for you. You'll notice that sometimes what's going to happen is that some of the results are going to be incomplete, which is okay because the technology is evolving, so you might not get exactly what you wanted. Um, but we can work through that. Like for example, we can copy this, and then you can use it as a starting point and go system, and then just add stuff to it. Once you're satisfied with whatever results you have, you can go ahead and either just copy this whole thing into your document. And another thing that I want to show you is that let's say that this is something that you really like. You can click on more like this, and it's going to give you some extra stuff that you can choose for your content. Yeah, there you have it. That's how Copy.ai can help you create short form content for Facebook. Thank you.